In this guide, I'm going to show you guys whether you can change the font on your iPhone or not. Let's get started. It's important to know that it's almost impossible to fully change the system font on an iPhone because Apple does not provide direct access to modify the font across the entire iOS interface. If you go into settings and try to find a font option, you won't see one. Apple keeps strict control over the look and feel of iOS to maintain consistency, reliability, and readability across all apps. However, there is a clever workaround that allows you to preview and use different fonts in certain contexts using accessibility settings. It's not a full system-wide change, but it's still a useful trick. For that, launch Settings. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Accessibility. Scroll down. Head over to the option Keyboard and Typing. Now here you're gonna find several options. At the very top, you're gonna find the option of hover typing. Click on it. Now toggle on for the option hover typing. Then click on the option font. Here you will see multiple font options to choose from. Select the font you like and it will be applied to the hover typing feature. Now go back and open your Messages app or any place where you can type. As you start typing, you will notice the floating text preview showing your selected font. While this does not change the font everywhere on your iPhone, it's a still fun way to experiment with different styles. Hopefully, Apple adds more customization options in the future. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.